Creating a website that not only takes traffic that you bring, but also makes sales can be a challenge. I know it's your goal, and I promise you it doesn't have to feel like moving mountains. And I'm not just talking about making a pretty website, I'm talking about building a business. I will give you the tools, templates, and systems to craft a lead magnet and to create an opportunity for a sale that's not just a one-time deal, but a repeat business scenario with your customers. Now, let's dive deep into how you can start building a kick-ass website about your business with just a few clicks.
Okay, so first thing you want to do on notifao.com is you want to go to start free account today and quickly sign up. I'm not a robot. Cars, boom, 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 boom. Should be fine. Sign up. Then you want to select a template, website, online store, landing page, or a funnel. So let's select a website. Let's say we want to make a restaurant. I kind of like this one, so let's do it. Good dish. Brand color, that's fine. Brand logo, text logo. Good dish. Let's make it white. Go to my site. And voila, that's how quickly we can build our website. Now let's preview the website. Showing a new tab. Ta-dam, it's done. We have a fully functional website. This is just insane. About, meet the team, our story, events. Read more, it seems to be a blog. Reservations, and that's a contact form. So yeah, so we got the website. Now back to the builder. Let's say we wanna add a new page. For example, how about we say thank you? Thank you. Now we have to link it. Okay. So let's say someone will send a message. So we go to settings, and instead of showing a thank you message, we want to go to page. So let's link that page. Page, pages, thank you, select. Now let's see if it's actually working. First name, Paul. It's not required, but that's fine. Phone, 123 123 123 1. Date, let's select 23rd. Time, say 10 a.m. And then a message, hi, I would like to get a table. Let's give it 4 people. Book a table. Thank you for your order. And this is just the page that we've created. So that's how quickly you can create a website at notifao.com. So perfect. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. Give it a like, give it a fat thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And I will see you in the next one.